Life comes at you. It's going to be gentle in moments, it's going to be nasty in other moments, and there's no escaping that as a man. The sooner we learn to turn our body and face it, turn our eyes and gaze into it, open our arms and say, yeah, welcome, rather than bargain with life. The sooner we show up with as much fullness in the world as possible, there's a lot of confusion in the world right now about how to embody masculinity in a healthy, awake way. Many men are trying to do what they think is needed, and it's all going outwards rather than choosing to fall in and know themselves. My main intention for leading these immersions is to give men an opportunity to experience a larger sense of themselves and to learn how to author their own life rather than be the result of their culture. And that's a real process. That takes suffering, it takes joy. The more we're able to push and press and lean and tussle with the world and with other men around us, we get to know ourselves.
The best way in which I can describe what goes on here is a collection of men from all different parts of the world, different stages in life, supporting each other.
You're not told kind of what's going to happen day by day, which is great, so you're always kept on your edge and you're taken to your edge on a daily basis.
When you're able to stand in front of a man that you trust, he's able to see both sides. He's able to point out and lift up the areas that you're gifted, and he's able to slice into the areas that you're full of shit.
You start to see, how am I being viewed by other men, and what am I hiding from? I had no idea how I was coming across. I was pretending to be like this. Hey, how you doing? What's going on? Hi. But inside I was terrified.
Eli is the master of taking things that live in most people's heads and bringing it down to the body.
So it's not just ideas, we're actually moving, training our physical body, training our capacity to speak. All of that work directly relates to how we return home to the women in our life, our children, and our work. Each man walks out with practices, different core embodiment exercises, so that they can show up with as much fullness in the world as possible.
You come out a different man, you feel happy, you feel confident, you come out with more discipline.
I've come away with kind of deep, profound change in my heart. It's been transformative, to say the least.
It's not just about me. I get to be effective in my life, and then I can help another person do the same.
Through this work, I can bring a more trustable, solid presence into the world.
Instead of what can I get out there, it's what can I give? How can I serve the people I love? How can I give my gift to the world? And even if no one notices it, I'm still going to give it. That's coming from a place of depth, of real purpose. The world needs that.